day started bright and early, departing around 8 a.m. with excitement in the air. The route took us via Molawi, Zamboanga del Sur, passing through the scenic roads of Osmena, Zamboanga del Norte. The journey itself was refreshing, as we watched the landscapes change from bustling towns to peaceful countryside. By around 11 a.m., we arrived at our first stop, La Presa, a charming strawberry farm nestled in Osmena, Zamboanga del Norte. But La Presa was more than just strawberries. The vibrant flowers in full bloom added splashes of color to the scenery, while the panoramic mountain views stretched endlessly, offering a breathtaking sight. The crisp, fresh air filled our lungs, and nature's peacefulness surrounded us. We found a cozy pay at a small hut where we unpacked our lunch, savoring each bite while soaking in the beauty around us. Of course, we couldn't resist capturing these moments, so we spent some time taking pictures, making sure every angle of the farm's beauty was immortalized. Our second stop was Ganto Hills, a place that immediately felt like a haven. The natural scenery here was simply soothing rolling hills, a variety of colorful flowers, and stunning views that seemed to go on forever. The tranquility of the hills allowed us to pause, breathe, and appreciate the simplicity of nature's gifts. It was the kind of place where you could just sit and feel the stress melt away. Next, we headed to Cecilia's Plate in Yusha, Zamboanga del Norte. This restaurant wasn't just about food, it was an experience. Surrounded by tall, majestic pine trees, it felt like we had stepped into a serene forest retreat. As we enjoyed our snacks, a soft fog began to roll in, wrapping the area in a cool, misty embrace. The combination of good food, the fresh scent of pine, and the gentle fog created a peaceful, almost magical atmosphere. Our fourth and final stop was Don Victoriano and Misamis Occidental. The journey there was an adventure in itself, climbing higher elevations. We were greeted by thick fog along the road, making the trip feel mysterious and exciting. The cool air brushed against our faces, a refreshing change from the usual heat. As we approached Don Vic, we were treated to the spectacular sight of the Sea of Clouds, a breathtaking view that made us pause in awe. The high elevation provided stunning vistas of vegetable plantations dotting the landscape. The roads, though high, were smoothly concreted, making the drive pleasant and safe. Each stop along our journey offered its own unique charm, from the colorful blooms of La Presa to the calming views of Ganto Hills, the cozy ambience at Cecilia's Plate, and the majestic Sea of Clouds in Don Victoriano. It was a trip filled with nature's beauty, good food, and unforgettable memories.
Napod si mama dire, ako aning mother-in-law. Tanaw-tanaw sa mga bulak kini nice kay ang petals. Lahi-lahi ang kuan. Nakakuha ko anig kuan kanang iyahang kuan ba seedling, pero wa siya nabuhi. Di gid siya makauyon diri sa ubos. Pero katong violet nga bulak nga among nakuha dito sa kalsada, okay, na tapon sa kalsada dito pa dun sa Osmena, nabuhi siya. Pero mo dito gibutang ni mama sa tubangan. Sige, katawa dira day. Mao na siya amo ang na isang bayi dira o siglili sa bulak. Giunsa kana niya? Huli pero di kulong. Ay nako. And then next is naman ni padulong ani oy. Lahi lagi ning kuan mao na siya.